Alright guys, today we will learn how to create M365 group in Office 365. We'll go to our Exchange Admin Center. We need to go to Recipients, Groups, and we'll hit Add a Group. Now we'll be creating M365 group, so we need to click on Next. We need to give it a name which will be test1.office365. If you want to add a description so that other administrators can know why this group was created, you can do that as well. Test Office 365. I'll click on Next. Over here, I'll be assigning an owner similar to the distribution group that we did in our last video. So I'll add an owner, click on Next. I'll quickly add members to this particular group. Let's say I'll add 4 members to the group. Next, I'll have to give it an email address, so which will be test1.office365@chantry.com. Now, the next option that I get is to keep my group public or private. So public here means anyone can go ahead and join this group in my organization. Private means only the owner can perform actions of removing and adding members to the group. Next option that I get is to add Microsoft Teams to my group. So yes, definitely I would like to create a Teams group against this Microsoft 365 group. I'll click on Next. I'll get an option to review and finish adding the group. I'll review the information. I'll hit the Create Group button. Great, so it has been created, and I'll hit Close. If I see the group has been created as test1.office365. Now we'll quickly see on Teams. So if we look at Teams, the group has been created here. And now if I want to manage this group from Microsoft Teams, I need to click on the 3 dots in front of the name of the group. I'll be able to see the option Manage Team. I'll click on Manage Team. Over here, I'll be able to see the owners for this particular group and the members for this group. So now if I want to add a member or an owner, I need to click on Add Member. I'll type in the name as Jennifer, and it will pull up the results as Jennifer David. This is a user that we created in our last video. I'll click the Add button. Now it will give us an option whether I want to make Jennifer as a member or the owner of the group. So even if I make Jennifer as the owner of the group, by default, she'll be added as a member to the group. So I'll keep her as a member to the group, and I need to close. You'll be able to see that Jennifer David was added to this particular group. So just to verify, I'll quickly go to Exchange Admin Center Groups, and under Microsoft 365, I'll go to test1.office365. I'll go to Members, and I can see Jennifer David has been added. So this is how you can add or remove a member from Microsoft 365 group using Microsoft Teams. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Guys, if you have any questions, any queries regarding this particular video, please drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.